Now we're going to be putting this graphic on the side of this express van. It's hard to tell what's level on this, but the most eye-catching level line is this lower line right here. So that's generally what we line things up to. So we center here to here and level it here and kind of visibly centered in the middle, okay? So got our tape measure. Take our tape, center it right where we want it. Okay, we apply this, take our squeegee, apply anything down that we need to squeegee down. Sometimes our workers aren't as awesome as they should be, but that's okay. Squeegee it down really, really well. Get all the bubbles out, wrinkles out, make sure everything's good. It's in place, double check your measurements. Measure twice, apply once. Perfect, okay, then we take a piece of tape. We left a piece of tape over here on this side. We're gonna make a hinge. Why don't I do a hinge on this side? That way you can see how it's applied the entire way over, okay? That way I'll use all this tape to show you what's going on. So we're gonna tape half of the tape on the vinyl and half of the tape stuck to the paint of the vehicle. Normally it's one big long line of tape down, okay? Take your squeegee, crack that piece right there so you know where you're applying, making sure that that's my straight line. So you don't want it crooked, you want it straight and square and exactly where you want it. So I'm going to peel this entire thing back. Peeling up, exposing adhesive that needs to be applied to the window. The door. Holding with my left hand, applying with my right hand. You can see that that last letter did not apply down. We will get that when we have a free hand. Now, when you get to where your backing material is left, you can check your lines. Oh, I'm right on, perfect. Okay, now that's down. This can be fixed now, just like that. Everything is applied down. Peel the rest of this back, removing the rest of the backing material. That on my right hand side of me can be tossed away. Hold this, apply that piece right there. Now, sometimes if you have a problem, you can cut between the letters. Help everything fall in place and not cause any more of an issue. In fact, we can do that right here. That lower section went down very easily. This section lines up perfectly. peel transfer tape off. Now I gotta carefully apply this. Felt side of my squeegee. Now, you have any issues? Pop a couple of bubbles with your knife, pushing out all the air holes. And trim off what you need to. Line up stuff. Peel that off. Here. Now, it's applied. You can double check, make sure everything is down, squeeze it down where you want it. Now it's time to peel off the transfer tape. Any layers, it's obviously easier to peel off these layers as you go. There we go. Throw it away as you go. Thanks for watching MHC Sign and Design.